बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सारे खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जोग्राफ़ी क्लास सेट जो कि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक का नया कोर्स है, इसके चैप्टर नंबर 4 से आज जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। तो इस चैप्टर नंबर 4 का नाम है इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड। अच्छा, तो पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। फिर उसके बाद एक्स्ट्रा यानी इजाफी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे ताकि सारा यूनिट कवर हो जाए। तो चलो पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं जो किताब में दिए गए हैं एक्सरसाइज में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इनलेस्ट द मेन इंडस्ट्रीज ऑफ पाकिस्तान। इसका आंसर है द मेन इंडस्ट्रीज ऑफ पाकिस्तान आर टेक्सटाइल, फर्टिलाइजर, सीमेंट, शुगर, आयरन एंड स्टील एंड केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, गिव द 3 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज। इसका आंसर है एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज आर हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स, एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड पॉटरी। Question number 3. Define bilateral trade. Answer. Bilateral trade is the exchange of goods and services between two countries. Question number 4. Define urbanization. Answer. Urbanization is the process in which people move from rural areas to cities, causing the growth and development of cities. Question number 5. Write the names of 5 exports of Pakistan. Answer. 5 exports of Pakistan are cotton and textile products, sports goods, leather goods, surgical instruments, carpets and handicrafts. अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Suggest 2 ways to reduce imports of Pakistan. Answer. 2 ways to reduce imports of Pakistan are increase local production of goods, reduce the import of luxury items. अच्छा, अब है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो एक्सरसाइज में दिए गए हैं किताब। अच्छा, डिटेल्ड आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन द रोल ऑफ टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। आंसर. The textile industry is the most important industry of Pakistan. It provides employment to millions of people and uses locally produced cotton. It contributes about 60% to the country's exports, earning valuable foreign exchange. Major textile centers include Karachi, Lahore, and Faisalabad. These industry play a vital role in economic growth and industrial development. Question number 2. How can science and technology help in our development? Answer. Science and technology help in improving industrial production and quality of goods. They introduce modern machines and techniques which increase efficiency. They also help in better communication, marketing, and distance learning. With government support, science and technology improve industrial products and strengthen the economy. Question number 3. How can we increase our exports? Answer. Exports can be increased by improving the quality of products according to international standards. Production of export goods should be increased. New international markets should be explored. Better marketing strategies should be adopted to promote Pakistani goods worldwide. अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Explain the importance of cottage industry in Pakistan. Answer. Cottage industries are important because they provide employment in rural areas and use local raw materials. They promote traditional skills and reduce rural urban migration. These industries help increase national income and play a significant role in reducing poverty. Acha. Question number 5. Write a note on bilateral trade between Pakistan and China. Answer. Pakistan and China have strong bilateral trade relations. China is Pakistan's neighboring country and an important trade partner. Pakistan exports items like rice, fish, and carpets to China, while China exports machinery and industrial goods to Pakistan. Projects under CPEC, such as Gwadar Port and power plants, have strengthened trade and economic cooperation between the two countries. अब है इजाफी यानी एडिशनल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स. Question number 1. What is industrialization? Answer. Industrialization is the process of transforming an economy from agriculture based to industry based using machines and modern techniques. Question number 2. Name any four main industries of Pakistan. Answer. Textile, cement, sugar and iron and steel industries are the four main industries of Pakistan. Question 3. What is immigration? Answer. Immigration is the process by which people move to another country to live permanently. Question number 4. What is urbanization? Answer. Urbanization is the growth of cities due to the movement of people from rural to urban areas. Question 5. Which is the most important industry of Pakistan? Answer. The textile industry is the most important industry of Pakistan. Question 6. What is the function of a gin machine? Answer. The function of a gin machine is to separate cotton seeds from cotton fibers. Acha. Next, question number 7. Name two major cities of textile production in Pakistan. Answer. Karachi and Faisalabad are the two major cities of textile production in Pakistan. Question 8. What are cottage industries? Answer. Cottage industries are small-scale industries that use hand tools and simple machines. Question 9. What is trade? Answer. Trade is the buying and selling of goods and services between countries. Question 10. Name any two exports of Pakistan. Answer. Cotton products and sports goods are two exports of Pakistan. अच्छा अब है इजाफी यानी एडिशनल लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स. Question number 1. Explain the relationship between industrialization, immigration, and urbanization. Answer. Industrialization creates job opportunities in industries, attracting people from rural areas and other countries. This movement of people is called immigration. As more people settle in cities for jobs and better facilities, cities expand and develop, leading to urbanization. Thus, industrialization leads to immigration, which results in urbanization. Question 2. Describe the process of making cotton cloth. तो इसका आंसर है the process of making cottage cloth involves several steps. Number 1, ginning. Seeds are removed from cotton, guarding. Fibers are strengthened, drawing. Fibers are made into soft grains, strands, spinning. Fibers are twisted into yarn, weaving. Yarn is woven into cloth using looms. Acha. Question number 3. Why is the textile industry important in Pakistan? Answer. The textile industry is important because it is the largest industry in Pakistan. It provides employment to millions of people. It contributes 60% of our exports. So Pakistan produces high quality cotton which supports this country. Question 4. Explain the role of cottage industries in Pakistan. Answer. Cottage industries play an important role because they provide employment in rural areas. They use local raw materials and traditional skills. They reduce rural to urban migration. They help in reducing poverty. They contribute to national income. Question 5. What are the major imports and exports of Pakistan? Answer. The major imports and exports of Pakistan are as under. Imports: edible oil, machinery, petroleum products, chemicals. Exports: cotton and textile products, sports goods, leather goods, surgical instruments, or carpets and handicrafts. Question 6. What measures can Pakistan take to increase export revenue? Answer. Pakistan can increase export revenue by improving the quality of goods, increasing production of export items, following international standards. Acha. Exploring new markets, reducing dependence on imports. تو ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، یہ تھے چیپٹر نمبر 4 کے کویسچن آنسرز جو آپ لوگوں کو پسند آئے ہوں گے۔ تو ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، یہ کویسچن آنسرز اگر آپ لوگوں کو PDF فارمیٹ میں چاہیے تو یہاں پہ میں اپنا واٹس ایپ نمبر دے رہا ہوں، تو اس واٹس ایپ نمبر پر ان کویسچن آنسرز کو PDF فارمیٹ میں منگانے کے لیے ٹیکسٹ میسیج یا وائس میسیج آپ لوگ مجھے کر سکتے ہیں۔ لیکن اس سے پہلے آپ لوگوں نے ایک چھوٹا سا کام کرنا ہوگا، یعنی اس چینل کو سبسکرائب کرنا ہوگا۔ تو پھر میں آپ لوگوں کو یہ کویسچن آنسرز PDF فارمیٹ میں بھیج دوں گا۔ تو جاتے جاتے آپ لوگوں سے ریکویسٹ ہے کہ اس چینل کو بھی لازمی سبسکرائب کرنا ہے، اپنے دوستوں کے ساتھ شیئر کرنا ہے۔ انشاءاللہ ملیں گے نیکسٹ یونٹ کے کویسچن آنسرز کے ساتھ۔ اس وقت تک اجازت چاہتا ہوں۔ اللہ حافظ۔